Hi, we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the BDO tag. BDO tag gives you a manual way to override text direction. So it's bi-directional override. If you spell it out, let me just create a simple sentence in a paragraph. And I'm going to nest it inside of BDO tags, so open and closing. Well, now it hasn't changed anything. We need to add a specific attribute, which is the direction. By default, it's LTR, so left to right. Let me change it to RTL, so right to left. And now this entire sentence has been flipped. The uppercase T is now here. And this is what you can use this BDO tag for, so you can manually override the text direction if you need that, for example, for foreign languages. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.